What's your experience with Yacht Controller so far?
It's a game changer. I've had it for probably 3 years. I can run my boat. I have a 58 Sea Ray sedan bridge. I can run my boat completely by myself. I can go down. I can help my wife with fenders. It's a game changer. I strongly recommend it, and you won't boat the same. I had somebody tell me that before I had it, and I didn't really buy into it, but it is a game changer. If you don't have one, get one.
Would you say it's been a good experience so far?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It changes the way you boat. It really does.